So you think you're great at multitasking? Think again. Hi there, Dennis Riley, Ghost Results, and welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about multitasking. I have talked to so many entrepreneurs about multitasking, and we get into some great debates about it. Now, when it comes to being an entrepreneur, we have a lot of stuff on our plate, and not enough time in the day to do everything on our plate. So some of us think, you know what? If we can multitask and do multiple things at once, we'll clear off our plate and we'll be able to move forward. Guess what? The human brain cannot focus on two different tasks simultaneously. You don't believe me? I had a workshop recently and I did this experiment. Check it out.
Okay, I have some gum and I need 3 volunteers. So I need one person who wants to chew a piece of gum. Who wants to do it? I need one person. You. Oh, it's another thing for another day. Okay. Now, have the gum. That's yours. By the way, anyone who wants gum, by the way, they can have this. Okay, so.
Waiting
all right. It's not poisonous. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right. Now, what you're going to do. Okay, don't just put it in your mouth. Okay. Don't worry. All right. So now I need 2 other volunteers from their seats. I'm going to pick you 2. Okay. So you guys have 2 pretty easy jobs here. So you're going to see what right now that you're chewing. Mm-hmm. That's all you got to do the whole time. Okay? But here's what we're going to do. You're going to chew regularly, and you're going to count how many times you chew. At the same time, I'm going to tell a story, and there's going to be different colors in the story. And you're going to tell me how many times I say any color. Okay? Now, but you're going to try. You are going to count the number of times he chews. You are going to listen in my story to tell me how many colors I say. All right? Are you ready?
Wait, so he's supposed to be counting?
He has to count both. He has to chew and count this chewing, and then he has to tell me how many. All you're doing is laser focusing on how many times he chews. Ready? We're going to start. Okay. This weekend, Saturday, was a fantastic day weather-wise. I walked out, and it was a beautiful crystal blue sky. It was awesome. And then what happened is I had to go into the shed, and I had to get all these tools. One had a red handle, one had a blue handle, a brown handle, and there was one handle that was missing that I think was like a shade of purple. Okay. Then what I did is I came out and I said, all right, and then I was sneezing. Why am I sneezing? Oh, over here there was a bush that was really blooming. It was a beautiful yellow bush. And then over here, there was a purple bush that was right near the window. And across the street, there were some beautiful roses. I saw red roses, yellow roses. Even saw some deep purple ones. It was amazing. And then let me tell you what happened. I had to go, and the grass was so green, and I had my green wheelbarrow. And then what happened afterwards is that my shoes got all dirty. They used to be blue, but then they turned like to a brown. End of story. Go ahead.
Purple 3, blue 3, everything else 2, brown 1.
Everything else 2, so how many?
Total?
Total.
Oh, how many did I chew or how many colors?
No, how many colors total?
Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. Is purple the same as deep purple?
Whatever you want to do. I mean, different, no, not different times I said the color. I could say blue 20 times.
Oh,
I could
you just only have to count how many times.
Yeah, how many, a color.
Oh, that would have been so much easier.
Yeah.
I divided. Okay,
Wow.
So let's see.
Impressive.
I'm going to say 30.
Okay. How many times did you go?
50-something.
Okay. How many times did I say a color? 14. How many times did I think he chewed?
I counted 74.
74. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Try this for yourself. Try focusing on 2 tasks at once of equally importance and try focusing on both of them. You can't do it. Now, sure, you might be able to do 2 tasks at once, but they're not going to be efficient. And guess what? As an entrepreneur, If you don't mind doing a task that's not efficient, why are you doing that task in the first place? You should either delegate it to someone else or don't do it at all. The only tasks that are on your plate should be the ones that you have to focus on, and you should do them one at a time. Now, if you have 2 urgent things that have to get done, this is what you do. Step 1, do the first task and do it to the best of your ability, 100% laser focus. 100% laser focus. No emails, no phone calls, nothing. Just do the task. When that's done, do the next task. Do the same thing, 100% focus. When you finish those 2 tasks, you will see how much more efficient you can get done when you focus 100% on what you're doing. Now please like and share this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and click on the bell, because that will notify you when I have my next video out. Hope you have a great day, and remember, the toughest career path is that of an entrepreneur, but it's also the most rewarding. Take care and see you soon.